So what's up guys, I'm back with some more tech related news. This year iPhone 13 lineup will include an always on display with 120Hz refresh rate and a new feature for astrophotography, stronger Magsafe and finer matte black iPhone 13. So before we officially start our video, like and sub to the channel would be amazing. According to sources, Apple is planning an always on display for iPhone 13. This technology will be similar to Apple Watch 5. Apple will use low temperature polycrystalline oxide LTPO OLED panels, which will also have 120Hz refresh rate. OLED display uses less power than LCD displays, since in OLED displays, pixels can be individually controlled. With OLED display, Apple is able to light up only those pixels needed to show user time, battery or some notifications. The next big thing in the iPhone 13 will be astrophotography. The photography of astronomy usually require complicated camera setups to capture the dark night sky. Apple will use AI to better these pictures. Apple has been working on it from 3 years. This feature is expected to be seamless. iPhone will be automatically able to detect when the iPhone is pointed to the sky. This mode will allow phone to detect moons and stars and automatically set settings such as exposure. The next big thing in the iPhone 13 will be stronger MagSafe magnets. This will allow users to magnetically attach accessories to their iPhone. Lately, Apple has been criticized for using weak magnets, so Apple is addressing this problem. Another leak for the iPhone 13, which is not confirmed yet, as said in the Bloomberg report, iPhone 13 will have in-display fingerprint scanner, allowing the user to unlock their devices if Face ID doesn't work, such as you are wearing face mask. Another thing expected from the Apple is launch of Airtags in this March, along with new iPad Pro, as confirmed by a leaker, John Prosser. This is it for today. Do not forget to like and subscribe for latest tech related news. Thanks for watching. Peace out.